Hello viewer, you are welcome once again. Please subscribe to my channel. In today's lesson, we are going to learn how to use a permutation to solve a word problem. So let us see the question on the board. The question says, in how many ways can a party of 8 students arrange themselves? A. In a row of 8 chairs. B. If only 6 chairs are available. So let us use permutation analysis to solve this question. So solution. The permutation, the formula we use to solve permutation is given as n permutation r. N is the numbers of party, the number of committee, while r is the number of arrangement. So, and this formula can be expressed as n factorial all over n minus r, you bracket it, factorial. This formula can be expressed as this. So from this question, number A say in a row of 8 chairs. So my n now will be equal to 8 because the party here, the committee, we have 8 students. So my r, which is the number of arrangement, the question is in a row of 8 chairs. So we are going to arrange these students in a row of 8 chairs. So my r, the number of arrangement, is also 8. So let us substitute this into this formula. So my n now, we have 8 permutation 8 which is equal to 8 factorial all over 8 minus 8, you bracket it, factorial. We can still reduce this equation, which should be equal to, we have 8 factorial, then we simplify this one inside the bracket, 8 minus 8, which is equal to 0 factorial. So from here now, 8 factorial, which is equal to 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 all over 0 factorial is equals to 1. So from here now, my 8 permutation 8 will now be equal to, this one can go with this one because anything divided by 1 is still that thing, and anything multiplied by 1 is still the number. So here now, we are going to, what left now, this and this one have gone. We are going to 8 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 6, 5, 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2, which will give you 40,320 ways. So in a row of 8 chairs, the how many ways that we can arrange to 8 students in a row of 8 chairs is 40,320 ways. So let us see Roman number B. Number B, we say if only 6 chairs. So from this B, if only 6 chairs are available. So my n from the question is still 8, but my r, the number of arrangement here now, is 6. So let us use the same formula to simplify this into the formula. So we have 8 permutation 6, which should be equal to 8 factorial all over 8 minus 6 factorial. My r is the number of arrangement, which is 6 here. So which is equal to 8 factorial all over 8 minus 6, we have 2 factorial, which will give me 8 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 5, multiply by 4, multiply by 3, multiply by 2, and multiply by 1. All over 2 factorial is 2 times 1. So from here now, this one can go with this one. So we are left with 8 multiply by 7, multiply by 6, multiply by 5, multiply by 4, multiply by 3, multiply by 3. So that is all. So if we multiply this together, it will give me 8 permutation 6, which is equal to, if you multiply this together, it will give me 20,160 ways. So we have total 20,160 ways of arranging 8 students in the available seats share. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.